Morning students, today you are going to learn about the graph in chapter 3. Now listen, see the first heading, linear equation in two variables. Okay, in this graph we can learn about the linear equation and draw the linear equation into the graph sheets. Okay, so now that is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is a linear equation by using the two variables. See this equation ax plus by plus c, here x and y, a b is the real numbers, okay, x and y, that is two variables in this equation, that is x and y. The constant term is that last one plus c, no, that is c is the constant here. So for example, they are giving 2x plus y equal to 4, means first you have to find out that y value only. Here this is that equation, given equation, you have to find out the value of y equal to, here plus 2x come to this side, means that is minus 2x. Now let us see the examples. Now let us see the given equation, that is given 2x plus y equal to 4. For now you have to find out that y is in the left hand side, okay. So therefore y equal to, we can form that y value. So here as it is that keep the 4, then next one plus 2x comes to this side, means minus 2x. Now let us take this as a given equation. Now we are giving the any values for this x. You can assume your any values, okay, that is your choice. You can give minus values, any two minus negative values, any two positive values for this x. After that you can find out the value of y. For example, the first one, put that column like this, okay. Here your x value, whatever the value if you want to give, that one you can write here, y equal to 4 minus 2x. So you can form like this, and then finding the value of given, first you have to find out the, give any minus values, any two minus values, minus 2 and minus 1, like that. Now let us see, give the values, x equal to x value, I am taking my any two minus values, negative values, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 1 and 3. Okay, any two negative, 0 is compulsory, then you need two positive values. So you can apply the value instead of this x, okay, in this equation y equal to 4 minus 2 into then value minus 4. So you have to multiply this minus of minus plus, okay, 4 plus, here multiply this one, okay, 4 2s are 8. What is the answer? You have to find out. So here you can multiply this 2x instead of this one, okay. So minus 8, minus of minus plus, so that is become plus 8. So the answer 12. Okay, first point. X value is minus 4 and then y value, that is plus 12. Now let us continue. Now let us continue the second one. So here instead of this x you have to apply that minus 2. Y equal to 4 minus 2 into here this minus 2, okay. So you have to multiply this minus of minus, again that plus, okay, 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. 4 plus 4, the answer is 8. Y value, here now value of y is 8. So x is minus 2. So first point, this is the first point, okay, point A. Point A is what? Again minus 4, x value minus 4, y value 12. So minus 4 and 12, point A, okay. Now point B, minus 2 and 8, okay. So now next 0. So you can apply the value y equal to 4 minus 2 into 0. Whatever this one, you can multiply this, any number multiply by 0, the full term becomes 0 only. So that answer 4 only, okay. Now that answer C, point next one is point C, okay, point C 0, 4, okay. Now next apply the value, instead of x you can apply the value 1, okay. Y equal to 4 minus 2 into 1, that is 4 minus 2, the value plus 2 only, okay. So x value 1, y value 2, point D 1, 2. So after that, after finding your answer x and y, you have to write like this, okay, in this bracket. Next 3, x value 3, you can apply y equal to 4 minus 2 into 3. So the answer 4 minus, here multiply this 6 plus 4 and minus 6. What is that answer? Minus 2. So the value minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. Point E 3 and minus 2. Now you have to mark all these points on the graph sheet and join all the lines. Okay. Is it clear? Now let us start the graph. Given numbers. So the first point. Now as usual you have to draw the x-axis, x dash, and then y dash. You can mark it and then write the numbers. Okay. Everything write the positive and negative integers. So in between 0 also you can mark it. Before plotting the given points, you have to write the scale. You can write the scale. See here the x points. Here in the x-axis I am giving one unit only. So in the x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay. So first, before you can marking the points, you just write the scale like this. On the top only you have to write. The next one, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to, here I am giving 2 units. Okay, because the y values are greater values are here than 2, 8, 4, 8, 12, up to the 12 numbers are there. So I am taking 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like the 2 countings. Okay, then y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Like that you have to write on the top. Now let us mark the first point. The first point is point A is minus 4 and 12. So here minus 4. See here, by using your scale and put the dotted line and then mark minus 4 and then 12. Minus 4 comma 12. Minus 4, 12. Okay. So the next point, second point B, minus 2 and then 8. Minus 2 and 8. Minus 2 in the x-axis, 8 in the y-axis. So minus 2 and 8. Now let us see the third point. 0, 4. 0, comma 4. This is one 0 and 4. 0 is common for both x and y axis. So 0 is the common. 4 is the y axis. Here 0 to 4. Next one 1 and 2. Here plus 1 and plus 2. Both are in the first quadrant. 1 and 2. This is 1 comma 2. This point. Next A. Point A is over. A is minus 4 comma 12. Minus 4 is in the x axis. 12 is in the y axis. You can mark it. Next one minus 2 comma 8. Minus 2 in the x axis. 8 it in the y axis. You can join by using your scale and then put that the dotted lines on it and then mark the point. Okay, this is B. This one point A, B over. Next to C is 0 comma 4. 0 is common for both axes. Okay, 0 and 4 here y axis. That is point C. Next point D is 1 and 2. Point D 1 comma 2. Point E, next one 3 minus 2. 3 is here, minus 2 is here. Okay. 3 minus 2, that is point E. Now after finishing everyone, you just join all the points. Okay. First, join the points means you will get a straight line. Okay. Put that arrow mark like that. And then equation, you have to write that equation on that line. Okay ma'am, here that point is what? Y equal to 4 minus 2x. Just after marking all the points, okay, you can join all the points by using your scale. That is a straight line. You will get what is the equation or this sum. Y equal to, what is the given equation? Y equal to 4 minus 2x. You have to write this equation on that line. That is the final answer. After writing this one, you can join, after marking the points, you can join all the points by using your scale. After finishing that line, so you just write the whatever the given equation on that line. You have to write y equal to 4 minus 2x. This is the final answer. That's all. Over. Is it clear?